women's 1500 metres semi-final heat 1, and the winner of that is Asbel Kiprop from Kenya. Asbel, you looked very good out there. Tell us about the run.
Well, the run went as I planned. I wanted to run a little bit slow in order to have that energy for the finals, which I'm looking forward to defending my title. If things goes well, yes.
You look really comfortable. You're running from the back there, and then you made your way around with 200 metres to go and look very comfortable out the front. Tell us about the last lap.
Well, it was exciting last lap. I don't know what seconds, but I took control and I was comfortable. If things goes well in finals, I believe I will have the potential to defend my title.
What is your strategy for the final?
No, if we all make to the finals as the Kenyan team, we will sit down and see how we will run the finals.
So you work together as a team for the final?
Yes, because we have to secure, we need that medal to go back to Kenya. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.